Goodbye, Arena.
It's working.
After 6 weeks, the first tour we take with Celina. Let's see if everything works as we imagined.
We are smoking like a steam engine. Oh, I shouldn't have said that, right?
We were really looking forward to this moment. Such a great feeling when you get to see that all the work was worth it and that the time has finally come to enjoy the boat out at sea again. We were able to cross a few items from the to-do list, but as a boat owner you never really have an empty list. We noticed that our engine needs a proper overhaul, as does the gearbox and all the ball bearings on the shaft. Unfortunately, the forecast for today showed absolutely no wind, and that's why we had to motor across the Bay of Palma. It was nevertheless a fantastic feeling, and some 2 hours later we anchored Celina in Palma Nova.
This is a very nice surprise, having fresh empanadas, a very nice bottle of red wine from Andrea. You're gonna be welcome every single day, you know?
Rocking chair and a glass of wine, the shade of a tree, and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away, step up and say.
After this nice surprise with the empanadas and the bottle of red wine, we headed back to the beach and we used this dinghy therefore. As I told you before, I built this dinghy by myself. It is a B&B yacht design spin-drift 10-foot nesting dinghy. It consists of 2 separate shells and you can easily connect it. The good thing is it's a 3-in-1 dinghy. You can row it, you can use an engine, and the best thing actually is you can use a sail. Sailing the dinghy is really fun. In total it fits 4 people, of course not with the sail, rather with the engine. Let's have a quick look how I built the boat on my balcony.
I built my dinghy already 2 years ago, way before I even bought my sailboat. The inspiration for this I got from Matt and Amy, an English couple sailing around the world. The dinghy was made of 6mm plywood according to construction plans from B&B Yacht Design. The gaps and holes were all filled with thickened epoxy. Critical areas were reinforced with glass fiber. I even built the oars by myself. The mast and boom are second-hand surf masts made of carbon fiber. Before painting the boat, it was treated with 3 coats of epoxy to be completely waterproof. It took me 3 months to build, and once it was finished, it was properly inaugurated with champagne.
We have the boat right there at anchor, and this is the most convenient way getting to the boat.